not showing up. Okay, no pictures, please. So what is it? You sort of look at that and say, well, that's what Marco just showed us. Beautiful design, Gorilla Glass. What was that, the pillow-shaped backing of the device? Look at that. Carl Zeiss 8-megapixel camera. But for those of you who are particularly sharp-eyed, you'll notice that there's one extra button on the top. So you know it's not the same device. So the question, of course, is what is it? Well, what this is a product that's codenamed C-Ray. And it is Nokia's first Windows Phone device. So you know what? It is hard right now, but you are getting stuff done. You saw it with N9, it's happening here. This is a functioning Windows Phone device. I could take you through and show you all of the capabilities and so forth, but I actually have someone here who's quite a bit better at demonstrating something like this. So please join me in welcoming Jukka Kiiskinen, who's going to give you a demonstration of Nokia's Windows Phone.
So in our first Windows device, C-Ray, as Steven said, we will have the new release of this Windows 7 phone called Mango. It has 500 new features and the capabilities that we will introduce together with the C-Ray. And I will now show you a couple of these things, what you really can do with the Nokia C-Ray running the Mango OS from Microsoft. So here you can see the first, you take the picture, for example, you take a look at the picture, and actually it has also this kind of face recognition. I can type that, okay, they are my kids, and whoever they would be, that I can type the name. So it's recognizing the faces and many functionalities built in the device. Also, the only device is running the Xbox. It's not only about the playing the games with the Nokia C-Ray and with this one, but it's offering the full experience on the playing the games and all the social aspects of gaming there. For example, I created yesterday my avatar for my Xbox. I put the same hairstyle, I took the same shirt I have, the same jeans, and I can make the guy jumping here when I'm pressing and the dancing. And so now you know my Xbox name there, so we can pick up friends there on these games and everything what we do there. Extremely funny, extremely funny. This shouldn't be a surprise to anyone, but the Office works very well in these products, the Nokia C-Ray. So that you can see that, yes, you can do all the notes, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. You can create, you can edit the documents, you can do actually almost everything there with the Nokia C-Ray. Only limitation is then the, like an Excel sheet with the screen size there, that's what you're doing. But everything this is possible. And as you can see from here, the SkyDrive, you can store your documents and get those to your device, and you have always your things with you wherever you are. What else we have? For example, the calendar. This is a good example also with this people aspect here, that actually when I have the Facebook events, for example, they come also visible in my calendar, just a differently color-coded there. But I can see that, okay, these are the birthdays in a calendar, get the Facebook events, and also the other things. And it works really clever way there. Applications. This is quite important thing there, and of course, the marketplace is the place to get the application. But let me show you one example, like the British Airways application that they are introducing for the Windows this year. So that in this application, you can see that, okay, I have booked the flight for London tomorrow. I can see that, okay, I have this booking in place. I can see all the details of my reservation, reservation and also the flight info, my details, my frequent flyer information, and many more things. So it's really the the advanced application, and I show you how it works in a second, a better way. But these applications that, today, especially our competitors, this is like the millions of applications already there. But in this Windows-based C-Ray product, these applications are part of these hubs. For example, when you are in a camera and the picture hub, you can there to download this kind of photography-related applications there. Or if you are in some other hub, like in an Xbox, you can download the games. So there's like a logical grouping for the application, make it more relevant and convenient for the consumer. But now you can see, like this application, tomorrow is my flight, so I need to check in. I got the pop-up notification from the BA that, okay, I have to now to check in for the, I get my flight details, yes, but then the next thing is there that, okay, I want to check that where is the seat. I can book the seat with this application. What I can do is then that I can browse through the seat map in the plane. I can see that, okay, there is the free seat, I choose that one. And it shows that, okay, like a flight through the plane, that where is my place. And actually, this is the great thing for the developers with the C-Ray and this one, because the Microsoft is offering all these developer tools that they are offering also to game developers. So that same assets and the tools can be used for creating the applications, so that all this can be done. Okay, now I took the last row, but let's go back. I tell you the secret, it's my birthday tomorrow, so I upgrade myself to the business class. And because it's the company flight, I hope that the company pays the expenses as well. And then I say my reservation. So booked myself to the business class, and then what I can do there is that I got the ticket. They can, at the airport, they can read directly the ticket, my flight ticket there, and okay, I can even do this one, that I now pin my flight ticket on the home screen here, and you can see that actually the ticket is here. And this works even to offline. So when I go to the airport, I don't even have to have the connectivity in place, because I just show this one and I can get to the plane. How many of you think that the great smartphone must have a great browser? Exactly. And the great thing is there that C-Ray with this latest Internet Explorer 9 brings really a great browser. It's exactly the same browser as you have on a PC. And what does it mean? That, whatever website there is, that you can be sure that this website is displayed exactly as it was made and get the full capabilities and the functionalities of this page. And because it's the HTML5 capable browser and supporting that one, you can even go there and take a look at, okay, I opened the video from here. It's the HTML5 based video. And it's played in a browser here. And here we go. No flash and things. Just really the full page as exactly as it is. And then, maybe one of the last things. I was just remembering there that I think it was the Nokia 7650, 10 years ago, the first smartphone that was introduced. But if I'm right, there was some multitasking in that device 10 years ago. And I tell you the secret, the C-Ray has also the multitasking, so that we are used to, and you can jump smoothly between the applications. The last thing I want to tell you there is that when we start shipping the C-Ray to the consumers, we will have there the Nokia applications. We will have the Nokia Maps Drive application for true navigation. We will have the pre-installed application for consumers that they can smoothly transfer all the contacts to new Windows-based device there. The most likely the many users will be the ex-Nokia users there. And a couple of more applications. And then there will be an opportunity for the local people also then to install the locally relevant applications on this UI. But I hope that you enjoyed this short demonstration on the Nokia C-Ray and now running the Windows Mango there. Thanks.